Hi. Good to see you on this channel Tech Geeks. This channel will bring different tutorials and latest invention videos. Please subscribe and share this channel for more. A home robot who hangs out and helps out with Amazon Alexa built-in. Vector is a companion made to hang out and help out. Powered by AI and advanced robotics, he's alive with personality and engaged by sight, sound, and touch. Vector is voice-activated and will answer questions, take photos for you, time dinner, show you the weather, and more. Voice features are currently English language only. If you choose to set up Alexa on your Vector, you'll be able to set reminders, control smart home devices like lights, speakers, and thermostats, and so much more. Vector can independently navigate and self-charge. He recognizes people and avoids obstacles. Vector is an updating platform, cloud-connected via Wi-Fi, so he's always learning and updating with new skills and features. Requirements: a compatible iOS or Android device and the free Vector app for setup only. Check compatibility at Anki.com. Devices includes one Vector robot, one cube, one charger, USB power adapter not included.
Hey Vector, come here.
Hey Vector, what's the weather?
30 degrees and snowing.
Alexa, turn up the heat to 75. Alexa, remind me to buy milk tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Hey Vector, want to play blackjack?
17. Another card.
Hit me.
26. You busted.
Alexa, add Beat the Dealer to my shopping list.
I added Beat the Dealer to your shopping list.
Hey Vector, go home. Alexa,
Turn the lights off.
If you like to buy the Vector home robot, then click the link in the video description and enjoy the gadget.